Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2018 Nissan Juke 1.2 Petrol N-Connecta, a compact SUV offering a bold design, sporty performance, and modern technology. With 17-inch alloy wheels, high ground clearance, and sleek body lines, the Juke delivers a dynamic and stylish look. Electric folding mirrors enhance convenience. At the rear, boomerang-shaped taillights, a sporty spoiler, and a rear-view camera ensure both functionality and style. Powered by a 1.2-liter DIG-T petrol engine, this N-Connecta model delivers a smooth and efficient drive, perfect for city and motorway journeys. Cruise control enhances long-distance comfort. The Juke features a distinctive V-shaped grille, rounded headlights, and a sculpted bumper, giving it a unique and aggressive road presence. Step inside to experience half-leather and suede seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and a user-friendly infotainment system. The cabin includes DAB radio, navigation, AUX connectivity, and Bluetooth for a seamless driving experience. Spacious rear seats offer comfort and practicality for passengers, with a flexible layout to accommodate cargo when needed. The Juke's boot space provides ample storage for everyday needs, making it a practical choice for urban and adventurous lifestyles. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Registration DX18XRK to book a test drive or request a video tour.